Hi guys, in this video we're going to be learning about LCM. This is from the syllabus IGCSE Maths 0580. Jumping in, LCM stands for lowest common multiple. So let's just take a quick example, 2 and 3. If you want to find the LCM of these two numbers, one method that you can use is listing down the multiples. So we're going to go turn by turn, 2 and 3. So let's just list down some multiples of 2. So there's going to be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 14, 16, 18, on and on and on. For 3, let's write 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 20, and on and on. Okay, so what we're going to do over here is trying to find matching multiples. So the first one we find over here is obviously 6. Then we found 12 and 18 as well. Okay, so these are all multiples of these two numbers. However, we need the lowest number. So the lowest number in this case, which are in both, is 6. So the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. That's your answer over there. Let's just take another example over here. Let's take 4 and 5. 4 and 5. So we're gonna start off the same method. 4 and 5. Multiples of 4: 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Now multiples of 5: 5, 10, 15, 20. We've already spotted one. 20. 20 is the answer. So the LCM of 4 and 5 is going to be 20. Okay, let's move on to another method of doing this. Okay, so another method that we can use is called the prime factorization method. So the way that's going to work is we're going to have two numbers. Let's take 12 and 14. Okay, so we're going to take the prime factors for both of these. Okay, so let's take the prime factor of 12. If you don't know how to take the prime factor, I'll just teach you right here. You're going to make this grid, write 12 right there. Okay, once you've done that, you want to get on the other side and see what is the lowest number 12 is divisible by. That's 2, right? What does that give us? 6, right? So what's the lowest number 6 is divisible by? Again 2. What does that give us? 3. So what's the lowest number? Like 3 is divisible by itself once. That gives us 1. 2, 2, 3. Okay, so let's just write 12 equals to 2 into 2 into 3. We're going to repeat the same thing for 14. Just pause the video right now and check if you can do it for yourself. So 14 divided by itself, 14 divided by 2 gives us 7. 7 prime number gives us 1. Okay, 7 into 7 is 1. 2 over 2 multiplied by 7. So 14 equals to 2 times 7. Now we're gonna find some common pairs over here. Okay, so 2 and 2, right? So what we're gonna do over here is we're gonna write this once only. Okay, we're gonna multiply these by these. However, the common numbers that are in both of them, we're just gonna multiply them once. So this 2 just comes down as it is. Then this is only gonna come once. Okay, because it's in both of them, so we only write this once. Then we have 3 and we have 7. So what does that equal? Yep, that equals to 84. Okay, you can use a calculator there, that's not a problem. You can do that in your mind as well if you can. That's really impressive. Okay, so moving on to the next question. Okay, I'm out of papers. Okay, so let's find a different set of question. Let's find a different pair to do. Okay, let's see. Let's take 16 and 24. 16 and 24. Okay, this is going to be our third question. So let's take the prime factors of 16. 16 over here. Just pause the video right now and try it for yourself, please, because math comes with practice. Okay, so 16, we're going to divide that by 2. It's going to give us 8. 8, we're going to divide that by 2, it's going to give us 4. Divide that by 2 again, that gives us 1. Okay, so 16 equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, so that's 4. Okay, there you go. Now we have 24. Okay, let's divide that by 2. We're going to get 12. Now let's divide that by 2 again, we're going to get 6. Then we divide that by 2 again, we get 3, and we're going to divide that by itself, and these are the numbers we get. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Okay, so the numbers that are repeating over here, we're just going to write them once down below here. So 2 times 2 times 2 times, this one's going to be separate, this one's going to be separate, because for this 2 there's no pair, okay, that it can overlap and cut off with. However, for these ones there is a pair. So there's a 2 here, there's a 2 here, this one gets cut off. There's a 2 here, there's a 2 here, it gets cut off, like that. Okay, there's no 2 on the other side for this one to get cut off. Yeah, there are only 3 here and 3 there, so those 3 cut off. You get 3 here, 2 and 3. So try to solve that, and let's see what you guys get. The answer is 48. Now this is going to be our last question. We're going to be doing 8, 24 and 32. Now pause the video right now and try to see if you can do it yourself. It's the same method. Okay, so for 8 we have this. If you don't understand the prime factorization, I'll try and upload a short or a YouTube video in some time to explain you this in detail. So this gives us 8 equals to 2 into 2 into 2, 24. Okay, so 24 equals to 2. Okay, next number 32. We have that divisible by 2, that divisible by 2, that gives us 8, that gives us 4, that gives us 2, and that gives us 1. So 32 equals to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Oh my god, it's repetitive. Okay, so let's find pairs. There's this one, there's this one, and there's this one. That's it. So we're gonna write all 3 of these as 1. Okay, 2, 2 and 2. Okay, we're only gonna write them once, okay, since they appear in all 3 of them. Then take 3, and then these 2 are left over, so we'll just write those there. So what does that give us? That gives us 96, and that is our answer. So guys, if you have any questions or any doubts, please message me, or drop your doubts in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any new IGCSE videos. Until the next one, see you.